50% OFF when you like and subscribe.
Once upon a time, on a sunny island, lived a group of happy monkeys who loved bananas more than anything. Every chimpanzee had just enough bananas to eat, and life was perfectly balanced.
But one day, something changed. The monkeys suddenly got more money. Now everyone wanted more bananas than before, but the number of bananas stayed the same.
When many monkeys want the same bananas, prices go up.
That's inflation, when there's more money, but not more bananas. The bananas didn't become more special day. The money just lost a bit of its power.
It's like having more tickets for the same movie. Too many buyers, not enough seats.
Now imagine the opposite, Pep. The West African female farmer grows tons of banana trees.
Bananas are everywhere. Everyone has more than they can eat.
No one wants to pay much anymore because bananas aren't rare.
Now prices go down, and money becomes valuable again. So inflation is not about bananas, Fungi. It's about balance.
When there's too much money chasing too few goods, prices rise.
When there's too many goods and not enough money, prices fall.
That underscores why central banks try to keep things steady. Not too hot, not too cold.
A little inflation is okay. It keeps the economy moving, like a gentle breeze.
But too much inflation? That's a storm.
And no inflation at all? That's when things freeze and stop growing.
The trick is finding balance. Enough bananas, enough money.
So next time your favorite snack costs more, don't panic.
It's not magic, it's just inflation.